Hi friends, KK, Guju, Sukhchen, Amit, Ritesh. Hi Ritesh. Yes, I'm late. I was busy with a session and that took time. Hi Ashok, Vaishnav, welcome. Hi Kamlesh, Jurani, Hi Vaibhav. Welcome guys. We'll wait for some time so that people join in. Hi Aslam Pasha, welcome. Hey Sar, good to see you. I'm good, KK. How about you? Ashok Vaishnav, where are you from? Guys, today it's going to be a session, as I said, it's a preventive COVID protocol. So it will be very beneficial for you all, and also it will be a stress and anxiety release session. Hi Iron Man, hi Kamlesh, Jurani, welcome guys. Hello Aurangabad. Guys, जिसके भी नाम नहीं है, please write your name so that I know what your name is. Okay, you're from Sangli. Hi Avan 444. So yes guys, like my all other sessions, every time I try to keep a different protocol. So this time also I've kept a protocol for COVID-19. It's a preventive COVID-19 protocol. So which is going to give you a immunity boost. Probably your immunity will be very strong so that you don't you're not hit with viruses and bacteria and stuff. It's a healing session, King Guju. आपने पढ़ा नहीं था मेरा स्टेटमेंट मैंने लिखा था. हाय मनीष सक्सेना. हाय लव संजय जाधव, वेलकम. सो गाइज मैं आपको जैसा जैसा बोलती जाऊंगी, यू गाइज हैव टू फॉलो दैट. और जो भी लेट आता जाएगा, दे विल ऑल हैव टू जस्ट सिट इन अ रिसेप्टिव पोजीशन. आई कीप रिपीटिंग इन बिटवीन. Your hands should be on your lap facing the sky. Yeah, you should not cross your hands, you should not cross your legs. Be in a receptive mode. Tongue to your palate. Yeah, tongue to your palate and deep breathe by closing your eyes. Hi Baljinder Preeti, Amit Murkute. Hi Vishal Cool, how have you been? Let people join in and probably we will start the session in a while. Why are you sad, Vishal? Don't worry. Hi Baljeet Tagore, welcome. Hi Vishnu, front foot, welcome. Hey Kunal Bakshi, good to see you. How have you been? Hi Ravi Jha. I remember that, Vishal. I do remember that. I remember who you are. Thank you, Vishal. So guys, we'll start in a moment. Let people come in. Let more people join in probably, and then because otherwise they keep asking in between कि क्या चल रहा है. Hey Roshni, welcome. Hi Omveer. Hi Chirag. Hi Rahul Shanbag. Welcome guys. Yes, Iron Man, I've been busy with work, I've been busy with patients, so I don't get time to socialize much on social media. Omveer, welcome. Boni, welcome. Boni Arun Gujjar, 2 names, okay. मेरा नेट बिल्कुल सही है. आप प्लीज अपने नेटवर्क जोन में आइए, विशाल. Okay, hi Arun Gurjar. No, it's not a diet session, Amit Murkute. It's a healing session. You have to just be receptive. I will be putting in some antibiotic colors in your spleen, in your lungs, in your thymus gland, and probably for your hands and legs, and so that you get a strong immune system. Also, it will be a psychotherapy session where I'm going to make you get rid of all the stress, all the anxiety, all the pain, depression from your system, especially these days when people are very stressed and tensed about what is going to happen next, and especially they're so frustrated with the lockdown. So this is a mixed session with your physical problem that it will prevent you from getting COVID-19 and probably also prevent you from having a stress life. Hi, Baljinder. Oh, Baljinder Preeti, that's Ocean King. Good to see you, Ocean. Yes, Roshni, please tell people to join in fast because this is a session of 1 hour and it's a long protocol today. So because I've mixed two protocols, so I have to start early. Hi, Kanpal, welcome. Vaibhav Verma, welcome. Okay, there are two Vaibhavs, Vaibhav Sharma and Vaibhav. Acha, that's Vaibhav. Okay, Vaibhavi Verma. Okay. Hi, Vaibhavi. How have you been? So, guys, before more people join in, can we just start with chants of Om? Yeah? Please start with chants of Om. Take a deep breath first. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's start with Om. Inhale the blessings and exhale. Share it with your full body. As you exhale, you share the blessings with your full body and say, all my chakras, my auras are receptive to the divine healing energies. Inhale, hold, exhale. Blessings. Hold. Share it with all your loved ones, your family members and friends as you exhale. Inhale the blessings. Hold. Share it with the whole group, whoever is joined in today and will be joining in some time. Spiritually, we are all one. Atma Namaste. Just say, guys, spiritually, we are all one. Yeah? Touch your heart chakra. Touch your heart chakra, everyone. Spiritually, we are all one. Is your net clear? My net is okay? Guys, my net is okay? Am I audible properly? Am I audible? Hi Paresh, Amit, KD. Hi Vag, Deepak Vag, welcome. Samir Shah Khan, welcome. Hi Bhavin Thakkar. Chirag, there is a way, there are lots of healings, types of healings for relationship healings where you have to get detached. There are cords to be cut जिससे आपको detachment चाहिए. तो बहुत सारे protocols होते हैं. You can take a one-to-one healing session if you want to go for a specified problem in your life, be it a financial problem, be it a physical ailment or a psychological ailment or addiction or probably a relationship problem. Yeah? Good, that is Bhavan. Sher Shahbadi, Vishal Kamra, welcome. Yeah, this session is for fighting tough time together. Thank you, Amit, for reminding people. It's for building a strong immunity so that we don't catch the virus, and also mentally also if we are strong, then our health is in much more better shape. Hi Ravi Khandwal, welcome. Thomas Matthews, welcome. Unique, welcome. Nayak Sudhan Kumar, welcome. Yes, आप स्ट्रेस फ्री हो जाएंगे टेक्निक से, बट आपको रेगुलर हीलिंग सेशंस लेने पड़ते हैं कुछ टाइम तक, ताकि आपको जिंदगी में बहुत फर्क चाहिए तो 1-to-1 सेशंस लेना बहुत जरूरी है. बट दीज सेशंस विल ऑल्सो मेक यू स्ट्रेस फ्री, इट विल मेक यू फील लाइटर, healthier. Hi Veerdi Param. Hi Rack. Welcome guys. Hi JB. Hey rapper. How you doing? Hi Sher Shahbadi. Okay, that's Rajiv. Hi Rajiv. How you doing? Yes, you can message me with your personal queries, guys. Please DM me. And even for your personal sessions, if you need to book, you have to message me. Either in my Facebook Messenger inbox or my Insta inbox, and probably we can take it from there. Hi. So guys, now we'll start with the session. Hi Varghese, welcome. Hi JB. Yes Rishabh, everyone, there is a solution for everything. If you're going through some attachment problem, depression, there is a solution to everything. For attachments and all, you need to get detached, and for that there are different protocols. There are cord cutting sessions, there are different protocols. So you have to book the personalized sessions if you want for your personal problems. Right now we will concentrate on one sec. Right now we concentrate on preventive COVID-19 protocol, yeah, and anti-stress protocol. I want everyone to be in a receptive mode. As I said, don't cross your hands and legs. Deep breathe. Touch your tongue to the palate. आपकी tongue अपने तालू पे टच कीजिए, पैलेट पे, या क्लोज योर आईज एंड कीप डीप ब्रीदिंग एंड मेंटली से अ प्रेयर. जस्ट रिपीट व्हाट आई से, या मेंटली से अ प्रेयर टू बी रिसेप्टिव टू द सुप्रीम गॉड, टू ऑल द होली गुरुज, होली मास्टर्स, archangels, holy angels, all the healing angels, healing ministers, all the invisible helpers. We are invoking for your divine blessings and divine healing power. I want you to cure each and every person who has joined this session or will be joining this session later. Everyone say, we are receptive. Touch your heart center and say, we are receptive. If you want the healings to receive you, say, we are receptive, yeah? Everyone should say, I am receptive, yeah? Now I'm going to start with the protocol. It's going to be a general sweeping first. General sweeping will cleanse your auras, your inner aura, outer aura. Also your health rays will straighten up. There are 5 layers to your aura, so I'm cleansing each layer. Now I'm cleansing your aura from your back side. Welcome guys. Manu, welcome. Now we're going to go chakra by chakra as per the problems. Yeah, guys, I'm going to cleanse your spleen now. Yeah, spleen, which is like, it distributes the energy to your whole body. So if your spleen is clean, your whole body will be disinfected. Yeah, everyone's spleen chakra I'm cleansing right now. I'm using some antibiotic colors. All the dirty use of energy, all the diseased energy, all the bacterial, viral, fungal infections from your spleen, from your actual spleen, from your front spleen chakra, its root, stem, petals, are all coming out. All the dirty use of energy, all the diseased energy, all the bacterial, fungal infections are coming out and disintegrated completely. Now I'm going to cleanse your lungs, guys. There are 3 parts to it: front lungs, back lungs and side lungs. I'm going to cleanse everything, yeah. Again, I'm going to use some antibiotic colors to cleanse your lungs. Removing all the dirty use of energy, all the diseased energy, all the bacterial, viral, fungal infections, all the congestions in your lungs. It's all completely coming out and getting disintegrated right now. From your back lungs, from your side lungs. This technique also helps in cleansing your blood, and also it helps in removing your tar, you know, the tar which is like built up over a period of time due to smoking. Now I'm going to cleanse your front lungs from behind. Removing all possible congestions, bacterial, fungal infections, excess mucus from your lungs. It's all expelled and disintegrated completely. All the dirty use of energy is completely expelled out from your lungs and disintegrated. Lots of dirty energy. Now I'm going to energize your lungs with antibiotic colors, and also it will strengthen your lungs, yeah. Everyone, please be receptive. Keep deep breathing, close your eyes and tongue to the palate. Imagine your lungs getting brighter and healthier. technique. I'm using color number 2 now. I'm using color number 3. The lungs are being energized. They are getting all the bacterial fungal infections are completely disintegrated. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. If you are just thinking, what am I using? It's isopropyl spray that I use. This is to remove the dirty energy from my hands. Otherwise, I'll fall sick. Whoever is joining in late, please be receptive and continue accepting the healings. Now I'm going to cleanse your crown chakras, guys. Everyone's crown chakra. Yeah, its crown is here. Remove all the dirty, used up, stressed energies from your crown chakras. Also, any kind of bacterial fungal infections, blockages, calcification, plaques, completely removed and disintegrated from your crown chakras. All the pent up emotions, anxiety, fear, stress is completely removed and expelled out and disintegrated right now. Now I'm going to energize the crown center, your crown chakra, be receptive. Filling up your crown chakras with divine light, lots of positivity, positive thought forms, inner peace, inner joy, love, compassion, understanding, peace with yourself, with your loved ones, with humanity. Lots of inner peace, inner joy. All kind of bacterial fungal infections are disintegrated. Any kind of headaches that you have been disintegrated. Any kind of stress is disintegrated. Positive thought forms, inner peace, inner joy. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Now I'm going to cleanse your ajnas, guys. Ajna is here. Yeah? Between your eyebrows. That's between your eyebrows. Just be receptive. Removing all the dirty used up energies from your ajnas. Disintegrating all the negative thought entities, negative elementals, negative thought desires, dirty psychic energies of fear, phobia, stress, depression, pain, anxiety. It's completely removed from your ajnas. Completely removed, expelled and disintegrated right now. Any kind of bacterial fungal infections are also removed and disintegrated. Any kind of allergies that you have been disintegrated. Something like allergic rhinitis. Energizing your ajnas. Everybody's ajna. Be receptive between your eyebrows. Projecting divine energies of good health, love, compassion, understanding, peace, positive thought forms, inner joy, inner peace. Lots of love for yourself, for your family members, for your loved ones, for humanity. Lots of joy and happiness. Also that your immunity is very strong now. I'm ordering you, Ajna, to make the immunity very strong. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Once you start thinking positive, everything becomes positive in your life. Now I'm going to cleanse your throat chakras, guys. Throat chakra is for lots of things. It's connected with your ear, nose, throat. It's connected with your allergies, your bacterial fungal infections, especially these days during corona times. Removing all kind of dirty used up energies from your throat chakras. All the bacterial fungal infections from your throat, from ear, nose, throat, it's completely expelled out and disintegrated. The throat chakras are being cleansed, completely cleansed. Any kind of pent-up emotions, anger, stress, poverty consciousness, it's all coming out from your throat chakras. All dirty used up energy, be it physical or psychological, is coming out from your throat chakras. The throat chakras are being cleansed completely. Energizing your throat, everybody's throat, yeah? Be receptive. Energizing your throat chakras with fresh, divine, universal energies. So imagine the energy is going to your ear, your nose, your full throat. All the bacterial infections are disintegrated. All the dirty used up energy, stress energy, fear, anxiety has been disintegrated from your throat chakras. All the negativity, harsh words are completely disintegrated. This positive thought forms, inner peace, inner joy, strong immunity, lots of love for yourself, for your loved ones, for your family. The throat chakras are being completely healed. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Now I'm going to cleanse your solar plexus, guys. Solar plexus is a hub of emotions, anger, stress, anxiety, irritation, frustration. Also, it's all related to your liver, your stomach, your pancreas. There are lots of diseases which are emotional in nature, like high BP, diabetes. So once I cleanse your front and back solar, it's here, yeah? It's here. Below your heart chakra is your solar, yeah? So it is a hub of all diseases. So I'm cleansing your front solar right now, removing all the dirty used up energy from your front solar plexus chakras. Your large intestines, small intestines, stomach, liver, everything is being cleansed. Your pancreas are being cleansed. All kind of dirty use of energy, all the bacterial, viral, fungal infections from your front solar plexus chakras are being completely cleansed. and disintegrated right now. All kind of pent up emotions, stress, anger, aggression, fear, anxiety has been completely expelled out from your front solar plexus chakras. Also cleansing your back solar plexus chakras now. I'm cleansing your back solar plexus chakra. Be receptive, everyone. Removing all the dirty, used up energy from your stomach, liver, pancreas, esophagus, diaphragm, all kind of bacterial, viral, fungal infections, and also all stressed up, used up energy, pent up emotions, negative emotions, stress, fear, anxiety. It's coming out from your back solar plexus chakra completely and disintegrated. It's cleansing the roots and petals of the chakra, all the internal organs connected with the chakra. The back solar plexus chakras are completely cleansed. All the dirty used up energy is completely expelled out and disintegrated. Now I'm going to energize your front solar plexus chakra using divine light. Projecting lots of strong immunity, happiness, joy, inner peace, love, compassion, understanding with yourself, with your loved ones, with your family, with humanity. There's lots of inner peace, inner joy, prosperity consciousness, oneness, also strong immunity, your liver, your pancreas, your large intestine, small intestine, stomach, everything is being healed. Even your pancreas, every part of your solar plexus chakra is being healed with fresh universal divine energies. They're functioning properly. They're emotionally stable. Completely healed. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Now energizing your back solar plexus chakras, everyone. Be receptive. Again putting divine universal energies in your back solar plexus chakras. Filling its root, stem, petals, every part that is connected with your back solar plexus chakras with fresh divine universal energies. There's lots of strong immunity, good digestion, positive thought forms, inner peace, inner joy, love, compassion, understanding, peace with your own selves, with humanity, with your loved ones, all your family members and friends. Lots of prosperity consciousness, inner peace, inner joy, lots of happiness. Now you guys have a strong immunity. Everyone has a strong immunity. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Cleansing your navel chakras, everyone. Removing all the dirty used up energies from your gut. Energizing with fresh prana, fresh color. This also helps in your digestion, your emotions, everything. Your courage. The navel chakras are completely healed and filled with fresh pranas, fresh energies. Stabilize, stabilize. I'm cleansing your basic chakras, guys. Basic chakra also helps in building strong immunity. Also, it's good for your spine. You'll feel very healthy. Your spine will be brighter. Also, maybe if you have a back pain, it may go. Or you may feel a little relaxed. Yeah. Cleansing your basic chakras. That's here. Tailbone. Everybody's tailbone. Removing all kind of stress, all kind of pain, any kind of musculoskeletal problems, any kind of spinal pain. It's all coming out from your basic chakra and disintegrated. Even any kind of poverty consciousness that you have in your basic, it's all coming out from your basic chakra. Energizing your basic with fresh prana, fresh color. Imagine your spines getting brighter. Your cervical spine, lumbar spine, sacral spine, your tailbone, it's all getting healed. It's getting brighter. The bones, muscles, nerves, veins, all the veins, cartilages, tendons, they're all getting healed. Everybody's basic chakras being completely healed. This positivity, inner peace, inner joy. The spine becoming very strong, bright. All the pain is disappearing. Stabilize. Now I'm going to cleanse your hand minor chakras. Yeah, that's your palm. Everybody's palms, yeah. Again, this is for strong immunity, building strong immunity. Removing all the dirty used up energy from your hand minor chakras. Putting a strong color in your hand minor chakras. You'll feel very healthy in your arms and your whole body, in fact. Stabilize. To make your circulation better, your bones and your nerves, everything will get stronger. Now cleansing your soul minor chakras. आपके तलिए, पैर के, yeah, I'm cleansing everybody's soul minor chakras. dirty used up energies, all the stress, all the pain, your soul minor chakras. Everybody's soul minor chakras with a strong color. Again, will help in building your immunity. You'll feel very strong in your legs, very healthy in your whole body. Helping build a very strong immunity, good circulation. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. So guys, how is everyone feeling? The healing is done and you can now open your eyes. Everybody can open your eyes. It will be great if you can give me some feedback that how was the healing session, how did you feel, are you feeling lighter, are you feeling better, are you feeling a little healthy? You can type in the messages here. Better, healthy. That's really nice, Nitesh Falke. I'm glad that you felt peaceful and nice. Meditation is very helpful for your day-to-day life, you know. Going to moon. No, you have to be on earth. I know you're feeling relaxed, but it's okay. You have to still be on earth. Feeling better. That's good. Sher Shabadi. That's really nice. Dev Nikharje, I'm glad that you're feeling relaxed. That's really nice, Iron Man. I'm glad you're feeling better. Mohit Gajera, that's good. Thank you, Dev. Hi, Herbal. Guys, you have to be in the network zone, Pius, every time, because these healing sessions, they actually, you know, whether I go on Facebook Live or Insta or probably Zoom sessions, you have to be in the proper network mode. Otherwise, you know, sometimes you'll not be able to see, sometimes you'll not be able to hear. Thank you, Abhishek Dikshit. I'm glad you've loved the session. Yes, Dave, I will definitely keep you guys posted about my next session because I keep taking different protocols on different days. So like last time it was especially for the eyes, usse pehle it was for anxiety healing. So there are different protocols that I keep using. Today it was a mix of preventive COVID and anxiety. Head became light. Oh, that's really nice, Abhishek. You're feeling lighter. What about how about Rajiv and Vaibhavi? How was your experience? Hi, Honey Singh. Everybody will have a different experience, you know. Some people feel light. Some people feel as if something negative has come out from their bodies. Some people feel very fresh. Some people feel very sleepy, so peaceful that they just want to go to sleep. You know, there are different experiences to different people. I will keep you posted, Pius. It will be somewhere in like maybe day after, probably, most probably. That's really nice, Mayur Parker. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you, Iron Man. So guys, it will be great if you can, everybody, whoever has just felt something with the session or felt some difference in your physical problem or mental problem, or they're feeling very peaceful. Thank you, Sher Shahbadi. I'm glad you're loving the session. So guys, it will be great if you make a selfie video of how you felt. Once I get to know how you look, how you sound, I'll be able to connect more with you guys, because it's all about energy connection, I have to ethically connect with you guys to heal you. So right now I just know your names, still it's very effective. But once I know how you sound, how you look, it'll be much more, the connection will be much more stronger. So I would love to have your feedbacks on probably a selfie video about saying how you felt about the healing session. You can say I attended this protocol session, anxiety session, or probably COVID-19 preventive session, and you felt so and so, आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस आप अपने वीडियो में बता सकते हैं. जैसे ही मुझे पता चलेगा आप कैसे दिखते हैं, कैसे साउंड करते हैं, मेरे अगले सेशंस में आप और ज्यादा रिसेप्टिव हो जाओगे, बिकॉज मैं कनेक्ट कर पाऊंगी और भी अच्छी तरह से. Also it gives me a boost, I feel very happy when my patients feel good. Nitesh, this is energy healings, these are energy healings. We use different color therapies, we use different pranas, different divine energies, different colors, sometimes divine colors. They're all energy healing. Oh yes, I'm going to save it anyways, because I always save my lives, and I most probably share it also. So guys, I would want you to next time be on time. Everybody just be on time, and because sometimes the protocols are too long, sometimes they are like short protocols, sometimes the protocols are too long. So we have to especially on Insta, there's a time limit of 1 hour. Once the 1 hour is over, the chats get disconnected. So it's always better that everybody takes it seriously, and as soon as you guys join in, always be in a receptive mode. Say a small prayer, and probably you're into it, you're completely in the session. Yes guys, this is all about energy healing. I basically connect with the energy body, energy fields of my patients. Energy fields are all about their auras, inner auras, outer auras, their health rays, their chakras, major, mini, minor chakras. There are many chakras in the body. There are 11 major chakras, there are some hidden chakras, and there are some minor chakras. There are lots of chakras, So I cleanse dirty energy, dirty used-up energies, be it physical or psychological energy, any kind of dirty energies and congestions from your energy fields, and then I fill it up with fresh divine universal energies. So once your energy fields are clean and healthy, your physical body gets healthy, It gets healed automatically, your physical body and mind. Because any disease, first it hits the energy fields of every patient. Only then it physicalizes. The same way, when you cleanse the energy fields, if the energy fields are strong, your body and mind become stronger. And it's a permanent cure. Like when you heal, you have to go for some sessions, and it's a permanent cure, And there are no side effects to it. लाइव में ज्यादा काम करता है मोहित, लाइव में ज्यादा काम करता है, बट इफ यू प्रे एंड से आई एम रिसेप्टिव टू द हीलिंग, तो वो सेशन में भी काम करेगा, बिकॉज आई प्रोग्राम्ड इट दैट वे, बट लाइव में डेफिनेटली ज्यादा काम करेगा. आई वुड प्रिफर एवरीबडी टू ज्वाइन द लाइव, बिकॉज वो देख के आप बाद में करेंगे तो एनर्जी मिलेगी, लेकिन फिर वो जितना लाइव में मिलती है उससे कम मिलेगी. योगा एंड I normally do bias one-to-one meditation sessions. I'll definitely, teach my patients to meditate. But normally the live sessions are more for the healing protocols for different physical and psychological diseases. But personalized sessions can have meditation sessions as well. And I would just kind of telling you all that please, आपको last time भी मैंने बोला था कि मेरे sessions के बाद at least 24 घंटे don't take bath, don't take a wash, because the energies are still in your energy fields. For your energy to get absorbed by your physical body, it will take few hours, at times 12 hours, at times 18 hours, at times 24 hours. So if you want the energies to reach your physical body and completely physicalize, and you want the benefits of today's healing, then please avoid taking wash, avoid taking bath, and avoid taking alcohol and cigarettes and preferably non-veg for at least, if not 24 hours, then at least 12 to 18 hours. You know, it will be beneficial for you all, you know. पता है क्या होता है, बिकॉज अगर आप अल्कोहल लेंगे तो वो एनर्जीज एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएंगी उससे, तो फिर आपकी बॉडी में फिजिकलाइज होने से पहले वो अल्कोहल एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा, तो क्या फायदा. अगर आप वॉश लेंगे तो एनर्जी फील्ड से वो वॉश ऑफ हो जाएगी पानी में. सो इट्स बेटर यू वेट, डोंट टेक अ वॉश, डोंट टेक अल्कोहल, डोंट टेक सिगरेट्स एंड अवॉइड नॉन-वेज फॉर at least 12 to 18 hours, if not 24 hours. And you'll see the difference of the healings yourself, you know. Some of my patients, you know, at times they're very rigid. I have to go for a meeting. How can I go out without a bath and all, you know. But then after 2-3 sessions, when they realize, you know, when they don't take bath, they feel the energy is much better. And their problems get solved much easily and much faster. So then they also realize that, yeah, you know, not taking a bath at times or probably avoiding it for 12 hours, 18 hours or 24 hours is good for them. Yes, these live sessions are basically for, it's a mass healing that I do right now. You know, because in group, I can't take one-to-one sessions. So it's a group session. Whoever joins in becomes receptive with the prayer, being in a receptive mode. And once if you touch your heart and say you're receptive, you will be into this session. Allergic rhinitis के लिए, you know, deep breathing every day, Riyaz. Deep breathing every day. Do pranayam every day pranayam, every day deep breathing. And obviously, if you have a chronic problem, you can go for one-to-one sessions. You can book my sessions. And in few sessions, your allergic rhinitis problem will get cured permanently. Abhishek Dikshit, you can just message me in the inbox, either in my messenger, probably, or if you have my WhatsApp number, I don't know, or probably on my Insta inbox. I normally do distant healings, guys, and because it's a difficult time, we can't travel, we can't move. My healings work distantly equally well, and it can reach any part of the world. I just have to connect with the energy fields of my patients, you know. So no need for my patients to travel and reach me, no need for me to go and reach them. It's all about energy connection. My energy fields are connected with your energy fields, and then I start healing you. I remove your energy, I clean your energy fields and energize your energy fields. So you, wherever, in whichever part of the world you are, you'll receive the healings and you'll feel the difference yourself. Yeah, it's all about positive vibrations. Amit, yeah. Amit is very beautifully explaining my healing sessions. That's really sweet of you, Amit. These are all positive vibrations, and I use the divine colors, divine universal energies, and fresh pranas. Also, I use some colors for different chakras, you know, which stabilizes and aligns the chakras, you know, and there are different colors for every chakra. And every chakra takes care of few body organs, internal organs, external organs. So it's all connected, you know. Life can't be really possible in esoteric healing because there are different people you are connected at the same time with different types of negative energy. No, there are types of healings, Amit Murkute. These kind of healings, when I program my healings for mass live healing, if it's a mass healing, then everybody who joins in gets my healing energies. Once I do one-to-one, that's a separate one. Then I don't include anybody, you know. So once people book my personalized sessions, it's only with one person on a video chat, probably on Skype or probably Facebook or WhatsApp or whatever. But when I program my healings for mass sessions, that my healings reach everybody who has joined in the session. In fact, at times I don't even know their names, it will still reach them. Hi Abhishek Sinha, welcome. I'm good. How about you? Instagram and Skype I can. Once they book my personalized sessions, once my patient book my personalized session, I normally give it either on Skype, either on Messenger call, or probably a WhatsApp call, you know, because definitely I don't have to travel for the sessions. I mean, they don't have to travel and they receive the energy, and personalized sessions are much more stronger because, you know, if I know your medical history, if I know my patient's medical history, here I'm using some general colors, because if somebody has high BP, if somebody has some kind of disease where I can't use specific colors, then it's risky. So I normally use general colors here and safer colors. But if I know my patient's history, medical history, then I can use specific colors for those specific ailments, for those specific chakras. So that's the difference between general and personalized. These will also help you, others will also help you. I think only 25 seconds remaining now to my live. So it was nice having all of you here. And I hope you enjoyed the session, and I will see you next time in my next session. Till then, have a great time, have a great night. Love you all. Good night, sweet dream. Bye-bye.